Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now, by the end of this video, you guys are going to learn the best swing trading strategy to make $500 every single day with the stock market. So I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys are new to the channel and you're like, who is this random guy? My name is Carter. I'm a full-time swing trader in the stock market, and I have been for over 6 years, which sounds crazy to say. And with that being said, we do have an amazing school where I teach people my strategies, how I find these stocks that are undervalued, my approach, everything. If you want to take swing trading seriously, check out our school. You will not regret it. We got private live streams, we got a group chat, we got quizzes, lectures, everything you guys need to take that next step to become a successful swing trader. So check it out down below. And guys, let's dive into this here. So when it comes with mastering swing trading, obviously for those of you that follow the channel, you guys know that I live and breathe by a trading journal. A trading journal, I am telling you, is gonna be what separates you from a lot of other traders, because you can always look back and review your trades and see what went right, and more importantly, see what went wrong. So we're gonna be showing you guys here a trade that I took on Meta here that has been performing very well. And you know, the thing about this trade is I was very confident, I knew exactly what I was doing, and it followed my strategy here. So let's dive into this. So with Meta, one of the things here that I absolutely love is we had this really nice upward trend. Trends, in my opinion, are very important, because imagine the stock like a river. It's a lot easier to swim downstream than upstream. You got to have that same approach. When there's already a direction of the stock, it's more likely to continue that direction. Now, looking at this, obviously it's better to just go and buy a position rather than trying to short a position. Shorting, the main issue I have against shorting is, there's no max stop loss. Compared to, going long on a stock, where if you buy a stock at $1, the worst that's going to happen is it goes to zero. Compared to if you short $1, and the stock goes to $5, $6, now you're out $4, $5, $6 compared to just the original dollar if you bought. So shorting, in my opinion, it's very risky here. So looking at Meta here, we had the stock on a beautiful upward trend, sold off down to a very undervalued point for the stock here. So this was trading for near and around a 28 on the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. The Relative Strength Index is the momentum tracker with the stock here, and you guys can see the last time it was trading for, that 28 was back in here where we had this good move. So now you might be saying, well, Carter, why did you buy it? Why did you buy it? So one of the things here is actually, if we go to the hourly chart, it breaks it down a lot easier. So you guys can see that Meta released an earnings and it caused the stock to jump. Now the earnings beat expectations and did very well. This earnings jump was about a 19%, return from peak bottom to peak top. It soon fell off all the way back down to actually pre-levels of before the earnings. So the thing about the earnings is they beat expectations, increasing revenue, a lot of hype about it, and then just a general stock market started selling off. If we go and we go ahead and we look at like the S&P 500 index, you guys will see that we've seen some good sell-off in the market, right? Where it's gone from like $5,555 all the way to about $5,100. So that's a good amount of, sell-off. And given that we've also seen a lot of volatility among tech right now, I think that was a higher percent chance that we're just going to get more sell-off from Meta. And that's kind of what we did. We saw about a 20% sell-off again. So now, looking at this, if you could buy this stock, where would you want to buy it? Well, you'd want to buy it on this yellow line, right? Where it hits it and we get buying pressure. So it hits it. We entered here and the stock just continued to rally its way up. You guys can even see that it is breaking out of the old trend, which is a very bullish thing for the stock to do. Another thing that I really like here is if we remove all of our lines and make it a little easier to see here, let's remove those, and we get the EMA lines back up, we actually had the lower moving average line break up through the higher. the last time it did that, this is normally a very, very, very bullish thing for the stock to do. And you guys can see the last time it did that was right in here, where it's followed by huge amounts of buying pressure. So we could definitely see some more buying pressure out of Meta. I'm very, very excited. And the thing about this, guys, is have a journal. Have a journal. You don't need, you guys can get this right down below. Check it out. Super, super cheap. And the great thing about this, guys, is it actually will track your performance for you. So you can, answer all these questions pretty much. You track your performance, your mindset, your trade breakdown, errors, ways to improve, setup, all of that. I'll put this down below. Every trader needs it. But if you don't want to get it, and maybe you're just starting out and you just want a 99-cent journal, they work too. So guys, the biggest thing with making money in swing trading is following that checklist. Following that checklist, stock on an upward trend. What's the RSI? Do we have some hourly support? What are the moving average lines? Doing this, incorporating all of that into your strategy, and then obviously having good risk management, understanding where you're going to take profit and your stop loss is very, very, very important. So guys, this is a very, very easy strategy you guys can do to make $500 every single day. And I know people will be like, Carter, well, do you have to swing every day? Swing trade every day? No, you don't have to swing trade every day. If that just say you swing trade once a week and you have a return of, $1,000, then you're making $200 a day, right? Do that type of math. They'll make it a little easier to understand. So guys, hope you guys all enjoyed it, but more importantly, hope you learned something. If you guys want to learn how to find these undervalued stocks and my strategies and, just more with swing trading, check out our school. Check it out. You will not regret it. And I'll see you guys in there. Hope you guys have an amazing rest of your day and take care.